If you're seeing a Steam API error, don't worry. This is usually a common launch issue, and in many cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the safest step-by-step methods to fix the Steam API error, starting with the quickest solutions and moving into the deeper repair options. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and gaming guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's start with the simplest fix. Run Steam as an administrator. Fully close Steam so it is not running in the background, then go to your Steam icon on the desktop, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Steam the permissions it may need to properly launch the game and access its required services. After Steam opens, try launching the game again and check if the error is gone. A lot of Steam API problems happen because the client doesn't have the right permissions, so this is always a great first step. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to try is restarting the Steam client. Sometimes the Steam API service can hang or get stuck in a bad state, especially after a crash, update, or an interrupted launch. To do this, click Steam in the top left corner, then select Exit. Wait a few seconds to make sure the client fully shuts down. After that, open Steam again and try launching the game one more time. This simple restart can refresh the connection between Steam and the game, and in many cases, that's enough to fix the issue. Now let's move on to a more reliable repair method, verifying the game files. This is one of the most effective ways to fix missing or corrupted files that may be causing the Steam API error. In your Steam library, right-click the game that is giving you trouble and select Properties. Then go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the game installation and compare it to the official version. If anything is missing, broken, or outdated, Steam will automatically download and replace those files. This process can take a few minutes depending on the game size, so let it finish completely before trying again. Once it's done, launch the game and see if the error has been resolved. If you're still getting the Steam API error, the next step is to delete the Steam_api.dll file manually and then let Steam restore it. This works because that file can sometimes become corrupted or mismatched with the rest of the game installation. First, go to the game's installation folder on your computer. Look for the file named Steam_api.dll. Once you find it, delete it. After that, go back to Steam and run Verify Integrity of Game Files again. This is important because deleting the file alone is not enough. Verifying the files forces Steam to download a clean working copy of that missing DLL file. After the verification completes, launch the game once more and test it. If the game still won't start properly, double check that you are launching it from Steam and that your antivirus or Windows security settings are not blocking the game files. Sometimes security software can interfere with the Steam API and prevent the game from reading the files it needs. If necessary, temporarily allow Steam and the game through your security software, then test again. To recap, the best ways to fix the Steam API error are to run Steam as an administrator, restart the Steam client, verify the integrity of your game files, and delete the Steam_api.dll file before verifying again. These steps solve most Steam API problems without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more fast and easy fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.